Hey guys, welcome back. We'll be talking about how to create your first standard campaign. So we'll go to the campaigns tab and click add campaign. Now we'll create a standard campaign like we talked about. This should be used with maximum 10 destinations. On the first screen you'll see overview. Here you can enter your campaign name. And you have a couple of other options like enable signature. This is used to add a signature to a percentage of your posts. This works like on a forum. Anytime you post something, you have a chance here to add this signature to that post. You can set it to post in 100% of the cases or 50% or less. This is as you wish. Next setting is minify all URLs from the post. If you enter an URL in your post, if you check this, it will automatically minify it using one of these three providers. Let's leave this unchecked for now. And there are a couple of more advanced settings. If you click this button, you'll see them. This is for Pinterest only. It will enable campaign source URL to Pinterest posts. If you don't have a source URL for some of your posts, it will select this one from here. And lastly, you'll have the notification triggers. You can set this notification to trigger when you have less than 5 or 1 or 2 posts in the post queue. You can set it to 0 so it doesn't send you a notification when you run out of posts. The next step is what to publish. From here you can enter content to be published on your destinations. For example, let's create one really fast. After you create it, you can see here that it's good for Facebook, Google Plus and Twitter. You can add it to queue. And let's create another one and add this one as well. You have different options through which to add posts. We'll talk all about these options a little later because it's a little more to talk about, but this is the main way you can enter posts. Just write them here and add them to queue. The next step is where to publish. This is pretty straightforward. You just need to select your destination list that you created earlier and it will publish on that destination list. As you can see here, this has 5 groups and 1 wall, so in total 6 destinations. That's good, it's under 10. You can see here a checkbox that says enable Google Plus community category selection. If you enable it, you can enter here keywords for the categories in Google Plus communities. You can enter here different categories. You can enter exclude keywords and you can choose the first category in case there are no categories matching the keywords that you listed. But if you leave this unchecked, it will just skip that community. So let's disable this one too. When to publish, this one only looks like this on standard campaigns. Basically you tell it how many times per day you want to post, and these 3 here are the triggers, the timers it will post. You can edit them manually if you want. For example, I've edited them manually and they will always remain like this. You can select the days of the week you want it to post. For example, if you don't want it to post on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, just unselect this or select them back. If you don't need the exact times each day, you can leave it like 4 for example and choose randomized publishing timers each day, and it will choose 4 random timers each day. So it posts each day at different times. Next you have the post queue. Here you'll see all the posts that you have entered and waiting to be posted for you. As you see, this is the first post and second post that I made. You can edit them from here. You can delete them or you can publish them now. And this is the history tab. Here you will see all the posts that have already been made with direct links to the groups and pages where the post was made. So this is how standard campaign works. You create it, you tell it what to publish, you tell it where to publish, you tell it when to publish. After everything is set, you go back to overview and click this button here, start publishing, and it will start publishing the exact times you set it to publish. This is how a standard campaign works. See you guys in the next tutorial.